guys, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Aditi, and today I'll be talking about something I've been procrastinating for a very long time. So before we get into things that I had to do because I had to do, I'll also be doing my skincare while doing the story time. So let's get into the video. So because I've been posting this video on my Instagram just to promote my channel, I know a lot of people watching this are friends and family as well as people who follow me on Instagram. So for those people, I don't think I need to introduce myself, but still I'll do it anyways. So hi, I'm Aditi Singh. I'm currently 19 years old and I live in Ahmedabad. I'm also a BBA student. I'm currently in my third year of education, but I also work part-time as a freelancer. And while we're at it, I'll be doing a get to know me session right in this video to tell you a little more about who I am as a person, about my hobbies and interesting facts about me. So if you're new to my channel, you probably don't know, but for my old subscribers, I used to make a lot of POV content back on this YouTube. And yeah, that's how I connected with literally all 900 of you, which sounds like a very small number, but trust me, it's like really big for me. And we had over 400,000 views on this very channel on shorts, but I ended up deleting all of them.
Okie dokie guys, this is Editing Mali Aditi, and I just realized that the entire part where I explain why I deleted all my YouTube videos and shorts has been cut out from the original clip. So let me just narrate it to you directly here. Basically, I just had a lot of backlash, a lot of people who did not like my content, and they would leave a lot of hate comments right on my videos, which over time impacted me a lot, and hence why I deleted my videos.
So again, I'm not necessarily a kind of person who lets get hate to me, but then I'm only human, and after posting for like straight 8 months, I finally ended up just taking a few step backs and I stopped posting on YouTube. And at the end of the day, no matter how much you don't let people get to you, you're only human. And yeah, comments like these really upset me, which is why I just backed off once and for all. Hence why I'm not planning to make POV content anymore. It's just too strict and too tight for me to squeeze in. So I think I'll just be making daily vlogs, skincare videos and things like that. But make sure you subscribe to my channel if you wanted to stay in touch with me, which will be a great video to me. Also, just a sneak peek, the moisturizer that I'm using right now is Emoline, and as you can see, it's in a very bad condition because I use it a lot. It is great for your skin. Although in the winters, I like to use Cetaphil Daily Damp Hydrating Moisturizer because my skin tends to get a lot more, dehydrated in winters. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys posted as I do my skincare. A very fun fact about me is that I have been painting since I was like 2 years old, which is very young. I got into painting when my brother, by the way, I have an elder sibling, was actively going to drawing classes, and I would see him and get inspired by him, and that's how I started painting at a very early age. And for whatever reasons, if you have not watched my artwork, you can definitely go check it out on my Instagram. In the highlight section, I've posted quite a few of my paintings there. I've also been an advocate about children's safety in the digital space for the past 2 years, and have worked with organizations like UNICEF India, UNICEF Sweden, as well as Cyber Peace. I've also worked with the Ministry of IT and Tech regarding the same issue. And yeah, gaming and children are two issues that I'm very passionate about. I think everybody has causes that they relate to. This is mine. Something that I like to do during my leisurely time is watching true crime podcasts. Like, I am a true crime obsessed person. I love watching anything true crime. I think I'll have to beep that word out because of YouTube censorship, but you guys know what it is. And besides that, I like watching a lot of documentaries. I talk everything about documentaries. I can literally watch documentaries for days on end. That's how much I like watching documentaries in general. I also love watching anime. I've been watching anime since I was 10. My favorite genre is probably slice of life, and my favorite movie is The Grave of the Firefly, which, let me tell you, if you have not watched it yet, now is your time to just go run watch it. It's one of the best movies there is. Also, completely off topic, I'm actually not originally from Ahmedabad. I am from Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, I know, shocker, right? My parents are both from Lucknow. Speaking of moving out, I have no clue what I'll be doing during Navratri. It just breaks my heart that I won't be here this season, like literally this year for Navratri. Like, Ahmedabad has been my home for the past, like, what, 5 to 6 years, and the fact that I won't be here anymore just breaks my little heart. And this is why this video is so important. If you're watching this and if we are pending a meeting, then make sure that you just hit me up on Instagram or something so that we can finally meet before I leave. And yes, that is why part of the reason why I started this YouTube channel is because I just wanted to, kind of stay in touch with people I'm going to miss when I'm not here anymore. I'm just so sad. And before you ask me, yes, I do speak Bengali fluently. We have traveled throughout the country. I've been to like 16 Indian states so far, and I'm planning to increase that number very, very soon. My best memory in Ahmedabad has to be my times during Navratri, which is something I can't believe I won't be here for. By the way, I love the taste of this crop. If you can get your hands on it, I assure you, you should get it. It's like one of the best lips crops I've ever tried. And yeah, I think that was it, guys. Do let me know if you have any other questions down below in the comment section. And please, please, please make sure you get subscribed to this YouTube channel because I'll be posting here a whole lot now that I'm moving out of the state. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it will help the algorithm know that I'm doing a good job. And yeah, that was it. I hope I see you in the next video, and bye-bye.